Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of you might have encountered, a leaking outdoor AC unit. We'll explore the reasons behind it and discuss some DIY fixes. So why is your outdoor AC unit leaking water? Well, there are a few possible culprits. First up, a clogged or dirty air filter can restrict airflow, causing the evaporator coil to freeze and eventually thaw, leading to excess water. Make sure to replace or clean your filter regularly. Another common issue is a blocked condensate drain line. Over time, dirt and debris can build up, causing water to back up and overflow. Keep this line clear to prevent leaks. Last, low refrigerant levels can result in a frozen evaporator coil, leading to water leakage when it thaws. If you suspect low refrigerant, it's time to call in the pros. Now, let's talk about some DIY fixes. If your air filter is the culprit, a simple replacement should do the trick. Just be sure to choose the right size and type for your unit. For a blockade condensate drain, you can use a wet, dry vacuum to remove the clog. Make sure to turn off the power to your AC unit before attempting this fix. If you notice ice on the evaporator coil due to low refrigerant, it's time to call in a professional HVAC technician to address the issue and recharge the refrigerant.
Did you know that it is a manufacturer's recommendation to flush your water heater at least once a year? This will prevent unnecessary wear and tear and extend the life of your water heater. Doing this one time a year will also prevent other catastrophic failures within the home, as the water heater is the largest appliance in the home. So if you don't want Rice Krispies in your cup in the morning for breakfast, please give us a call and schedule your $79 water heater safety inspection.
So, how do you know when it's time to throw in the towel and call in the professionals? If you've tried the DIY fixes we mentioned, but the problem persists, or if you're dealing with refrigerant-related issues, it's best to seek professional help. Also, if you're uncomfortable handling any aspect of your AC unit, it's safer to let the experts take over. And there you have it, the reasons why your outdoor AC unit might be leaking water and some DIY fixes to try. Remember, if things get too complicated, don't hesitate to call in the pros. Speaking of professionals, if you're in need of top-notch HVAC and plumbing services, we highly recommend giving Anthem a call. We're experts in the field and can tackle any issues you might be facing. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more home maintenance tips. Until next time, stay cool and take care.